So in this short video I'm going to explain how Slippery Hill got its name. It's December 2017, we're right at the start of summer. We've had a bit of a wet spring here in Melbourne, and I'm coming down Slippery Hill with a trailer loaded full of firewood to deposit at the bottom of the hill. As I'm coming down the hill, I apply the brakes, start skidding, and as you see one of these large tree roots that's just off to the side there, the trailer pushes me into that, pulling off the plastic wheel arch on the Prado. I unload the trailer and then come to try and drive out. Now this is a four-wheel drive with mud terrain tyres on it, down at 14 psi, so it's all set up to actually drive in these conditions. But even still, I can't get up Slippery Hill, slip and slide, I head off. I end up going off to the side through the longer grass to try and drive through there and get even deeper in the wet soil. About an hour and a bit later, I managed to get to the top after winching my way all the way from about a third of the way up right to the top, and ever since then it's been known as Slippery Hill. Now it's been a problem driving up and down this hill with any moisture on the ground over the last few years. As we get further into these videos, you'll see me starting to tackle the problem by adding drainage at the top of the hill and adding some swale drains all the way down the length to try and keep the water off.